Theo, why is your face so white? You look like a ghost.
It is my new face mask, Maya. Do you like it? I want to have a glow up.
You look very scary right now. But a glow-up is a great idea.
I saw a video on the internet. A man used this mask and now he looks like a model. I want to look like a model too.
Well, before we talk about your white face, hello everyone. Welcome to Sidekick English.
If you want to learn English with us, please subscribe to the channel right now.
Yes, click the like button and share this video with your friends who need a glow-up too.
Okay, Maya, the mask is dry. I can barely move my mouth. Is this normal?
I think you put too much on your face. You need to wash it off.
Okay, give me 1 second. I will be right back.
While Theo is washing his face, let's talk about the topic today. We are talking about skincare and a glow-up. A glow-up is when you improve your appearance and your confidence.
I am back. My face feels very tight. Is that good?
Maybe, but tell me, Theo, what is your normal skincare routine?
My routine is very simple. I wake up, I put water on my face. I use the same towel I use for my feet. Then I go to work.
Theo, no, that is not a routine. And please do not use your foot towel for your face.
Why not? It is all my body.
Your face skin is very sensitive. It is different from the skin on your feet. If you want to glow up, you need a real routine.
Okay, Teacher Maya. What is step 1?
Step 1 is the cleanser. You need to wash your face with a special soap for faces.
I have a bar of soap in my shower. It smells like lemons. Can I use that?
No, regular soap is too strong. It makes your skin dry. You need a gentle cleanser. You use it in the morning and at night.
Twice a day? That is a lot of work.
It takes 1 minute, Theo. You can do it. You just rub it on your wet face and then rinse it with water.
Okay, cleanser, I can do that. What is step 2?
Step 2 is moisturizer. This is a cream that keeps water in your skin. It makes your skin soft and smooth.
I tried a cream once. It was very oily. I felt like a piece of fried chicken.
You probably used the wrong cream. There are different creams for different skin types. Do you have oily skin or dry skin?
My forehead is shiny like a mirror in the afternoon, but my cheeks feel dry in the winter.
That is called combination skin. You need a light moisturizer, not a heavy one.
A light moisturizer. Got it. Is that the end? Am I a model now?
Not yet. There is one more very important step for the morning. You need sunscreen.
Sunscreen? But it is not summer. It is cloudy outside today.
You need sunscreen every day, Theo, even when it is cloudy. The sun can damage your skin and make you look old. If you want to glow up, you must protect your skin.
I do not want to look old. I want to look 20 years old forever.
Then sunscreen is your best friend.
Okay, so wash, cream, and sun cream. That is the basic routine. But what about the glow up? People on the internet do more things.
You are right. A glow up is also about healthy habits. For example, how much water do you drink?
I drink 3 cups of coffee and 1 soda.
That is not water, Theo. Coffee and soda make your body dry. You need to drink plain water. It makes your skin look bright and healthy.
Water is boring, but if it helps my skin, I will drink it.
Good. Also, think about your sleep. Do you sleep 8 hours?
Last night I watched videos of cats until 3 in the morning. So no, I slept 4 hours.
That is why you have dark circles under your eyes. They call it beauty sleep for a reason. When you sleep, your body repairs your skin.
I see. So sleep is like a free face mask.
Exactly. And watch what you eat. Too much sugar can cause spots on your face.
No sugar? No chocolate? This glow-up is very difficult, Maya.
You can eat chocolate sometimes, but eat more fruits and vegetables too. They have vitamins. Vitamins are like food for your skin.
Okay, I will eat an apple while I wash my face tonight.
Theo, don't eat in the bathroom. That is messy.
Sorry, I am just excited. I want to start my routine. I went to the store yesterday and I saw a bottle that said toner. What is a toner?
A toner is a liquid you use after washing your face. It helps to clean the last bits of dirt. But for a beginner like you, the 3 steps are enough.
What about those little needles people roll on their faces? I saw that too.
That is called a derma roller. Do not do that yet. You are a beginner. Start slow. If you do too many things, your skin might get angry.
My skin can get angry?
Yes, it can get red and itchy. That is why we say keep it simple.
My cousin uses cucumbers on her eyes. Does that work?
It helps with swelling. If your eyes are puffy because you stayed up late watching cats, cucumbers can help you look more awake.
I tried that once, but I got hungry and I ate the cucumbers.
Theo, you are impossible.
I know, but I really want to improve. I want to feel confident. When I look in the mirror, I want to smile.
That is the most important part of a glow up. It is about how you feel inside. When you take care of yourself, you feel better.
It is like a hobby. Taking care of my face is a new hobby.
That is a good way to think about it. It is 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes at night for yourself.
I can do that. I will buy a cleanser and a moisturizer today. And a sunscreen.
Great. And maybe a new towel? A face towel?
Fine. I will buy a small blue towel just for my face. No feet allowed.
Good. I am proud of you. A glow-up takes time. You will not see a change tomorrow. You must be patient.
How long does it take? A week?
Usually about a month. Your skin needs time to change.
1 month? I can wait. I will take a photo today and a photo in 1 month.
That is a brilliant idea. A before and after photo.
I will look so different. People will ask for my autograph in the street.
Maybe start with just washing your face tonight, Theo.
You are right. 1 step at a time. Maya, do you have a favorite product?
I love a good serum. A serum has special ingredients for specific problems. I use one with vitamin C. It makes my skin look very bright.
Vitamin C? Like oranges?
Yes, exactly. It protects the skin and makes it glow. That is why they call it a glow up.
Can I just rub an orange on my face?
No, Theo. Please don't do that. Use this serum from the store.
Okay, no oranges on the face. Got it.
This has been a very good talk. I think our friends at home learned a lot about skincare today.
I learned that I shouldn't look like a ghost with too much mask.
And you learned about the 3 steps. Do you remember them?
Yes. Cleanse, moisturize, and sunscreen.
Perfect. And don't forget the water and the sleep.
I am going to bed early tonight. No cat videos. I promise.
We will see about that.
Thank you for the help, Maya. I feel more confident already.
You are welcome, Theo. I am happy to help.
Before we go, everyone, tell us about your routine.
Yes, we want to know. Do you have a skincare routine? What is your favorite product for a glow-up?
Write your answer in the comments below. We love reading your stories.
Don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy English lessons like this one.
And hit the like button if you think I will look like a model in 1 month.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Time for my water and my nap.
Bye-bye.